You were just fighting for the sister. I was just scared. You know, I used to hear that mother-in-laws are wicked. So I was taking my mouth like this in the home. It's not as if I mean it seriously.
You know what? You have to send this woman out of this house.
Immediately.
You have to send her out.
Mama did not mean it. I was just scared that you take over my home.
A woman like you.
Sorry.
Beating up.
Sorry, I was taking charge.
How long have you seen me?
Say people went out, so I've been suffering this. I'm sorry.
Mama, I'm sorry. I wanted to just take over my home. Seriously.
Have I not been a good husband?
You are the
Have I not been anything?
You are the best. I wanted to just take my stand in my home. I don't want mother-in-law to be controlling.
Is he dragging anything with you?
I did not. That's
Is he dragging anything with you? Enough of all this. Enough.
For you to hear back.
Hey, shut up.
You know understand.
Shut up. I'm so disappointed in you.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
To me. Even to my own mother.
Mama. Leave me alone. Please. Leave me alone.
I'm sorry.
We are sorry, please.
If I hear him.
Please now. Honey, please now. Look at me.
Just think your stance. I'm not the kind of a man that beats woman. I would have dealt with you. I wouldn't believe this. Mama, you hurt.
Very, very hard.
I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry. I couldn't explain to you.
I'm sorry.
Why? To my own mother. Brother, enough of this drama. Do you know what? Just send this woman out of this house. She does not belong here. Send her out of this house. You know what? This thing will not happen again. We are going back to your father's house. Yes. You understand? Get up. Get out of my house. Move it. Get out of my house. Do it. This woman. So when I called my wife. Move it. Mama, I'm sorry. This will not happen again. Mama, are you hurt?
Very sorry.
My own mother eating on the floor.
That is it.
Taking rice on the floor.
She's a very wicked woman.
So this is what you have been passing.
Suffering, and they collected my phone from me.
Are you injured?
Later you are going to massage. You will massage my body because they hit me very, very well.
Sorry. To not happen again. I'm back. You know what? It's my mistake. I would have put cameras all over this house.
Okay.
Sorry.
She will not come back.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share for more.